I have terrible hiccups right now, but hi, my name's Pauline. I do things, and today we're going through a transformation. Am I gonna hiccup again? Anywho, so the reason I look like a giant toe, the hiccups are so bad. This intro is taking forever. But anywho, we're transforming today. So I originally wanted to transform into Trixie Mattel, but I can't find my blonde wig, and also my blonde wig is very sad. So we're not gonna bother with the blonde wig. You know how Skipper is to Barbie? That's what I want to be to Trixie. So skip her, I guess, is who I'm becoming. Here is our to-do list in order to do so. So first, I have to blow dry my hair. I have not blown dried my hair in a very long time at this point. I don't even know how long. Probably when I cut my hair. So it's been like a few months, I think. But I'm gonna blow dry these hiccups. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna blow dry my hair as big as I can get it. And then after that, I found my glue stick, and we're gonna glue down my eyebrows and make them disappear. I know. Between the hiccups and gluing down my eyebrows, I'm gonna lose my mind today. And then I'm gonna follow a Trixie Mattel tutorial on my computer the best I can, fingers crossed. And then I'm gonna get dressed in a dress that I already owned. I already have this dress just lying around, put together the whole look, and then go out in this 50-degree weather with very high winds and take some photos, hopefully. Fingers crossed they turned out cute. Okay, I'm gonna go blow dry my hair. I'll be back with hopefully bigger hair. Okay, so my hair blow dried, large, workable, have it up so that it'll keep it upwards so that when it comes down it has the most volume possible. I also have a caddy full of makeup right now, so it's time to glue down my eyebrows. I'm not mentally, emotionally prepared for this. I've tried to be. What are you eating? I have my cup of tea. You know what? I'm gonna set a stopwatch. It's almost 3 p.m. We're gonna see how long this takes me to do, and we'll start that. But yeah, I gotta block out my eyebrows. We're gonna start gluing them, and we're gonna get into that first round, and I'm just procrastinating at this point. So I'm actually quite nervous about having to draw my eyebrows back on because I don't own many eyebrow products. I know that's so surprising when you look at how thick my eyebrows are. Where is it? I literally brought every brush I own. There we go. Okay, we got that. We have these. I'm gonna set these out in front of me. We're gonna do it. So I'm gonna start. I need to watch her really quick, and then I'll do it. I watched, I learned. I'm gonna do my absolute best using good old-fashioned Elmer's glue. I already had it because art student, well, it used to be. So we're just gonna go for it. I have my mirror. I'm gonna look down. So if I'm looking not at you, that's why. And first we have to go against the grain. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer to you. Hi. I mean, it washes out. It's fine. Just had to go in tiny circles, going against the grain, really getting it in there. I am gluing my eyebrows to my face. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's just normal Saturday afternoon, people. Trixie, if you're for some reason watching this, first off, I love you. Second off, I'm so sorry this happens to you every year, where just a bunch of people think that they can do what you do. I'm realistic here. I know that this is not gonna turn out correct, but I'm gonna try my best. And keep that in mind, you guys. I'm trying my literal best right now. And then she says to take it straight up, which they're not doing. I'm gonna switch to a time lapse so I can comb them straight up. She uses a literal comb, but I need to comb them before they dry. People don't realize how bushy my eyebrows are. I hope this gets it through to you. I mean, I actually am kind of living for this. Now, next is to set it with some powder, and then we start to build foundation. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna time lapse that. I think you've seen a person put foundation on before. You just slather it all over your face. I can't get over this. Why is this a vibe? I'm gonna glue my eyebrows straight up like this all the time. Look at that. Look at those. Look at those brows. Wish me luck, everyone. I'm trying my absolute best. told you, I'm trying my best here. I think we have to get into contouring now. Or I think eyes first. I don't know, I'm gonna take a sip of tea and we're gonna continue on this journey. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Keep going. We're like halfway through. Okay, I look better from far away for sure, but I feel like we've actually made some progress here. Is looking okay. I feel like I need to smooth that out right there. I'm gonna do that and then we get on to lips. I get my lips back, yay. Okay. It's time for me to put lashes on. I'm gonna fiddle with them, but yeah, the look is kind of done. Let me get the lashes on. We'll see if you can even see my lashes with this much eyeliner on, but we'll try, we try. Okay. I have these little half lashes that I put on. You can kind of see, you can barely see my lashes, but they're there. They're actually up on my eyelids, but I think we're done. I think it's time to get dressed and have a photo shoot. I can't get over these lips. This is kind of a thing. Ooh, okay. I'm proud of myself. We somehow managed to get together, and to people who do not know who Trixie is and think I still look crazy, that is the correct ending. This is the correct crazy, pretty much. My eyebrows, they're not symmetrical. Ode to Trixie. Really struggled with the eyebrows, guys. They really didn't want to stay down while I was working. Definitely could use some bigger lashes, but like, when you have a cat eye this big, who cares? Oh, I did shave my face for this, so that's at least accurate. Too much blush. She loves blush, that's normal. Overdrawn nude lip, that's also normal. Okay, I'm gonna put this look on and we're gonna do it. We did it. Okay, and I gotta do my hair as big as humanly possible. I did it! I somehow managed to make my face look like Trixie's, and I'm very proud of myself. I was very worried that this is not gonna turn out. And honestly, my face doesn't feel too caked. My eyeballs do, but the rest of my face, not so much. She actually goes pretty light on the face makeup, which that probably doesn't look like it, but it's just powder and cream, it's fine. Here's my little outfit. Yes, now we're gonna go take some photos, possibly outside in the 50-degree weather. I'm not dressed appropriately for 50-degree weather. But yes, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. If you like my transformation, I'd love to, you can give a little thumbs up or comment down below what other transformations I should do. I did Martha May Whovier last Christmas, so I'm game for this stuff, and I have a lot of costumes in my house for some reason. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see more content, not like this. Sometimes like this, but not always like this. And oh, you can follow me on TikTok at Pauline Makes TikToks. I feel like I should be doing 60s dances in this. And Instagram at Pauline Does Things. I will eventually start posting on there again. Okay, I'm gonna take a nice deep breath and go outside and take photos now. I'll see you again eventually next week. Yeah. Okay. Bye. It's been a few hours later and I've eaten, if you can't notice, but I thought we would close this video with my most favorite part. We're gonna melt my makeup off, oil it up. Ready? Oh no. Oh, there go my eyebrows. It feels so nice though. Plus, get yourself a cleansing oil. It's so much better for the environment, preferably one that doesn't have microplastics in it. I can feel my eyebrows becoming unglued. Ooh.